Hello and welcome to day 21 of the 30-day meditation challenge. We're going to get right into a meditation today. I'm going to give you just a couple of minutes of guidance, easing you into the meditation. And I'm going to play some very soft ambient music in the background so you can meditate on your own. Altogether, we'll spend about 8 minutes. And then at the end of that meditation, if you want to stick around, I have a couple of quick quotes for you about meditation from the scientific and medical community. All right, if you're ready to meditate, make sure you're sitting comfortably. Don't forget to silence your phone. And here we go. Let's begin by becoming familiar with our breath. So just shift your awareness to your breathing. How are you breathing right now? Bring your mind to where your body is. Observing your breathing for a few more seconds. And as you do so, this brings your awareness into the moment, bringing your awareness to self, to this moment in time. And now let's all take a nice deep, full breath together. And let it all out. As we move into this meditation, breathe deeply and slowly if that feels best for you. If not, just allow your breath to regulate and breathe comfortably. We'll ease into the meditation now. Do your best to stay in it by breathing, relaxing. Try to observe any thoughts that come in rather than connecting with them or thinking about them. See if you can just observe. And if you need an anchor, you can always come back again and again to focusing on your breath. Enjoy. And in a few minutes again, you'll hear my voice and I'll bring us out of the meditation. I'm back to bring us out of this meditation. Take your time here. I'm going to count to 3. And when I say 3, we'll open our eyes, feeling nice and relaxed. 1, beginning to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. 2, preparing to open your eyes. 3, open your eyes. Come on back. Maybe take a nice breath here. Make a mental note about how you feel. And as promised, I have a couple of quotes for you from the medical profession. From Dr. Deepak Bhatt. He's a cardiologist and professor at Harvard Medical School. He says meditation reduces cardiovascular risk by producing changes in brain activity, lowering heart rate, blood pressure, breathing rate, oxygen consumption, adrenaline levels, and cortisol. And Dr. John Denninger, also of Harvard Medical School, notes that meditation not only improves heart function, but a regular practice can enhance your outlook on life and motivate you to maintain many heart-healthy behaviors. So meditation is good for our mind and our body and our mood. It's not just my opinion. A lot of support for this practice from the scientific community. Thank you for being here with me today. I hope you enjoyed this meditation, and I hope you'll come back tomorrow. I'll see you then.